Alright guys, so in this module, we're going to be going over how to create your very own Weebly website. Now for this module, we are going to be signing up for Weebly. Then we're going to be choosing a theme, creating a domain for our website, and then we're going to make sure we have it set to public, and we're going to publish our website so our classmates can see them. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to Weebly.com. Once you get there, you're going to click sign up. Now I already have an account, so whenever I log in, this is my screen. After you sign up, you're going to be brought to this screen, and yours is probably going to look a little different because I already have 2 classes I've been working on, but you're not going to have any classes here. Yours will say My Sites, and it will just be blank. But you're going to click this box here that says Add Site. And the first thing that you need to do is choose a theme. Okay, so you're going to come down. You can pick from any themes that you want to create. I'm just going to pick a simple one. So I'll hover over it with my mouse, and then I'll click Choose. Alright, the next thing that it's going to do is it's going to ask you to create a website domain. Now remember, you want this domain to relate to whatever you're teaching. So if you're teaching math, you don't want it to say something about English, right? So make sure your domain relates to whatever the content is that you're teaching. Now you're going to create your domain in this first box. Okay, we are using the free version. These 2 down here are going to cost you money. So make sure you're in this first box. I'm going to be giving you an example of a class called Sports History 101. Alright, so I'm going to name it Sports History 101. I'm going to include my last name. Alright, because I am the instructor. So I'll say Sports History 101. And it says that one's taken, so I'm going to add my first initial, and that one's good. So I'm going to click Continue. Alright, now once you choose your theme and your domain, then you can start building your website. Now for this module, all we're going to do is create tabs and pages so that later we can add content and media into our website. Alright, so up at the top, this is going to be the name of your website. Okay, I would suggest that you name it whatever your class is. So mine's Sports History 101. Okay, underneath that, these are our tabs. So this is what we're going to be creating today. If you come up here on the top, it has Build, Pages, Theme, Settings, and Help. You're going to come here to Pages. Okay, and on the side, all these are tabs that you're going to click, and it's going to take you to a different page. Alright, so if I click, let's say I click Contact. Alright, then you will see it took me to a new page. Alright, but you can change the names of any of these. So if I want to change, let's say I have 2 home tabs here. Alright, I don't need 2 home tabs, so I'm just going to delete. I'm going to click. I'll show you that one more time. I'm going to click on the home tab and come in here and click Delete. Are you sure you want to delete this page? Yes. Okay, so now I have these pages here. Alright, now home. This is where you probably want to talk about your course, what students will be learning in your course, stuff like that. You might want to introduce yourself. So let's say I want to just introduce myself as the instructor. Alright, so I'm on the home page. So again, as soon as someone types in my domain, this is what's going to come up. Okay, if you want to add something, you're just going to click it and you can start typing away. So I'll just say, hello, my name is Cameron Johnson, and I will be your instructor for Sports History 101. Alright, so that's going to be my home screen right there. Right, so that's what it looks like when someone opens up my website. Okay, now if I want to change, if I want to add something, like if I want to change the About page, okay, all I'm going to do is delete the text and I can add in whatever. So let's say for this one I want to add in goals and outcomes. Alright, so whenever I add it, you'll see that it pops up right here, and now it's taking me to the page goals and outcomes. So on a page like this, again, we don't have to do it for our module assignment this week, but you might want to list things about learning outcomes for your students, the goals you have set for them throughout this course. Alright, another tab you might want to list or create is an assignments tab. So when I create that one, you'll see it pops up here. Okay, another important thing to add. For assignments, we're going to have several different modules in this class. So I might want to create sub-tabs in this tab. So I can come right here. Let's say I want to create this one. I'll change the portfolio to Module 1. And then I will change the contact to Module 2. Okay, now, right now it has Module 1 and 2 as separate tabs. I want to get both of these underneath the assignments. So all I'm going to do is come back over here to the pages. I will click and hold on Module 1, and I'm just going to slide it over to the right, and you'll see how it gets smaller. Now you'll see it disappears. But if I hover over the Assignments tab, and now it has a drop-down menu of my Module 1. Same thing for Module 2. Click and hold it, move it to the right, release it. Now it has Modules 1 and 2 under Assignments. Okay, so for this assignment, make sure you sign up, create your account, you choose a theme for your website, you create a domain that relates to your topic, and then you create your tabs and pages. Alright, make sure when you are creating this website, it is aesthetically pleasing, meaning there's no distractions, you don't have random words or pictures everywhere, and your colors all flow together. Okay?